Today, the presidential election, Harris versus Trump. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. I will continue now with the 4 star Sudoku, and this will be number 9534. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly a 4 stars, 24 printed digits. Yeah, a 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are a majority. Can I start with a 9? Let me see. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have 3 and a 4 in the third column, so no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then 4. Let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Well, need a 9 here, need a 9 there or here. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 2, 7. Okay, that means 1, 2, 7. That means 2 missing numbers in this row are numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let's see, 2 and the 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, now 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so will come next. No, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. Second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. Okay. can't see digit number 1, number 9. How about need an 8 here? Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. How about the 3? Need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. Yeah. 2, 7, 6. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Now only place level 4. Ace should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing number in the middle column is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. In this middle column should be there. 2 and 6. Okay. Need a 7 here. 4 need a 4 here, and I need a 4 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Here in the column next, so last column, no, only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. 1, 2, 7. 2, 2. 1, 2, 5. 5, 5. Okay. Let me think. 6, 6, 6. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 6 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6. Yeah, I need a 1, 2 is missing 2 and the 6. That means here is 6, here is 6. I need a 6 in the middle column. Here give me 6 because we have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. So the only place left 6 should be there then. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm thinking. 999, 666. About 9, 3. Need a 3 here or there. About 8. 8. 8. No 8 here. Could be 8, could be 8. Yeah. I'm stuck here now. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Okay, need to wait for the 7. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers? 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Well, cannot feel this yet. 8, need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. How about here? 1. No 8, 8. 8, okay. Yeah, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5 here. 5. Come on. I'm stuck. 8. 1, 5, 3. No 3 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the second column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. So 1 is left in the first row for number 5. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column now, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 1 and a 7, okay. 2 and 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column now, only place level 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. 2 is missing. Then 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Then no 5. Need no 5 here. Need a 5 here. Come on. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So third column only place level 5. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 place level 5 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Let me think. Need a 7 here, 5. Need a 1, 5, 2, 3. Need a 3 here, 3 there. Okay. How about the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. How about the 8? Yeah, 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column. Oh, we have a pair, I believe. Yeah, 3 and an 8 in the third column, 3 and an 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places level 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. How about the 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and 2 numbers left now in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes and there. And all the 1s are used. I can not see here. We have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 7 are left. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Now we have all the 1s. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be in, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, another 4, another 3. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars, and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.